This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a canvas bag. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need about 1 yard of sturdy canvas fabric, along with matching thread. Make sure you have a reliable sewing machine, sharp scissors, and a measuring tape. For the straps, select a strong webbing or fabric that will be comfortable to carry. Having all your supplies ready makes the process much smoother. Now, let's move on to cutting your fabric accurately. For the main body of the bag, cut 2 rectangular pieces, each measuring 16 inches wide by 18 inches tall. Next, cut 2 long strips for your straps. These should be 2 inches wide and 24 inches long. Finally, cut 1 piece for the bag's bottom, measuring 6 inches by 16 inches. Precision here ensures a well-proportioned bag. With your pieces cut, it's time to start assembling the bag. Place the 2 main body pieces right sides together and sew along the 2 long sides and 1 short side, leaving the top open. Next, create the boxed corners by matching the side and bottom seams, then sew across. Attach the 6 by 16 inch bottom piece to the open base, ensuring all raw edges are enclosed. Double stitch all seams for extra strength. For the straps, fold each 2 inch by 24 inch piece lengthwise, press, and sew along the open edge to create sturdy straps. Position your finished straps on the top edge of the bag, about 3 inches in from each side, and sew them securely in place with a strong box stitch. Finally, fold down the top raw edge of the bag by 1 inch, press, and sew a neat hem all the way around. Your canvas bag is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.